Welcome to Sicily, a land of sun-drenched coastlines, historic towns, and world-class cuisine. If you're planning a luxurious getaway to this stunning Italian island, here are 7 standout hotels that promise not just a place to stay, but an unforgettable experience. To have seen Italy without having seen Sicily is not to have seen Italy at all, for Sicily is the clue to everything. Number 1, Verdura Resort, Scacca. Tucked along the southwest coast near Scacca, Verdura Resort by Rocco Forte is a serene haven offering a luxurious seafront escape. This expansive resort boasts a championship golf course, a world-class spa, and fine dining with locally inspired cuisine. Whether you're sipping wine by the infinity pool or exploring the lush Mediterranean landscape, this resort delivers elegance at every turn. Going to Sicily is better than going to the moon. Number 2, Villa Igia, Palermo. Overlooking the Gulf of Palermo, Villa Igia is a majestic icon of Sicilian elegance, also part of the Rocco Forte collection. This historic hotel marries classical architecture with modern luxury. Expect sweeping sea views, ornate interiors, and a refined atmosphere that has welcomed royalty and celebrities alike. I do not envy God's paradise because I am so satisfied to live in Sicily. Number 3, Grand Hotel Timeo, Taormina. A jewel in the Belmont collection, Grand Hotel Timeo offers unmatched views of Mount Etna and the ancient Greek theater, with its opulent rooms, lush terraced gardens, and a spa overlooking the Ionian Sea. It's the perfect setting for a romantic escape steeped in history and glamour. Sicily is the country of oranges, of the flowering soil whose air, in spring, is all perfume. Number 4, Belmont Villa Sant'Andrea, Taormina. Just a short drive from Timeo, Villa Sant'Andrea is a quiet retreat right on the shores of Mazzaro Bay, with a private beach, exotic gardens, and first-class service. It's the definition of understated seaside luxury. What makes it a necessary land to see and unique in the world is the fact that, from one end to the other, it can be defined as a strange and divine museum of architecture. Number 5, Mazzaro Sea Palace, Taormina. Another gem overlooking the bay, Mazzaro Sea Palace belongs to the leading hotels of the world. It offers refined rooms with breathtaking sea views, a private beach club, and a renowned restaurant. For those seeking beauty and indulgence by the sea, this is a top choice. Number 6, Hotel Villa Carlotta, Taormina. A hidden treasure in Taormina, Villa Carlotta is a boutique hotel, known for its charm and personalized service. With beautifully decorated rooms, a rooftop restaurant, and peaceful gardens, it's perfect for travelers who value intimacy along with luxury. Number 7, San Domenico Palace, Taormina. Now operated by Four Seasons, San Domenico Palace is one of Sicily's most iconic hotels. Set in a 14th century former monastery, it blends rich history with cutting-edge elegance. Enjoy Michelin-starred dining, a world-class spa, and stunning views from its cliffside terraces. Closing thought. Each of these 7 properties showcases the very best of Sicilian hospitality, combining luxurious amenities with the island's timeless beauty and rich culture. Which one would you choose for your next Sicilian escape? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more luxury travel inspiration. Thanks for watching. See you in Sicily.